1. Brushing your teeth. Your first plan of action should be to brush your teeth more often and in the correct manner. It's especially important that you brush after consuming foods and drinks that can lead to yellow teeth. However, be careful with brushing immediately after consuming acidic foods and drinks. Brushing right away can make the acids brush away more enamel and lead to erosion. Brush your teeth at least twice a day for 2 minutes at a time. Make sure you get into all of the cracks and crevices. Brush your teeth gently in a circular motion to ensure you're protecting your gums. Brush the inside, outside, and chewing surfaces of your teeth. Brushing with a whitening toothpaste has also been scientifically shown to whiten your smile, according to a 2018 study. These whitening toothpastes contain mild abrasives that scrub the teeth to remove surface stain, but are gentle enough to be safe. Using an electric toothbrush may also be more effective in removing surface stains. 2. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Using a paste made of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide is said to remove plaque buildup and bacteria to get rid of stains. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide to make a paste. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water after brushing with this paste. You can also use the same ratio of ingredients to make a mouthwash. Or, you can try baking soda with water. You can purchase baking soda and hydrogen peroxide online. You can also buy. 2012 study found that people who used a toothpaste containing baking soda and peroxide got rid of tooth stains and whitened their teeth. They showed significant improvements after 6 weeks. A 2017 review of the research on toothpastes with baking soda also concluded that they're effective and safe for removing tooth stains and whitening teeth, and can be used daily. 3. Coconut oil pulling. Coconut oil pulling is said to remove plaque and bacteria from the mouth, which helps to whiten teeth. Spit it into the toilet or a waste paper basket, as it could clog drains. Rinse your mouth with water and then drink a full glass of water. Oil pulling could have a whitening effect on teeth, as plaque buildup can cause teeth to turn yellow. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be used in very small amounts to whiten teeth. Make a mouthwash by mixing 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with 6 ounces of water. Swish the solution for 30 seconds. Then rinse with water and brush your teeth. Research published in 2014 trusted source found that apple vinegar has a bleaching effect on cow teeth. However, it should be noted and surface structure of teeth. 5. Lemon, orange, or banana peels. Some people claim that rubbing lemon, orange, or banana peels on your teeth will make them whiter. It's believed that the compound D-limonene and/or citric acid, which is found in some citrus fruit peels, will help to whiten your teeth. Gently rub the fruit peels on your teeth for about 2 minutes. Make sure to thoroughly rinse out your mouth and brush your teeth afterward. Scientific research proving the effectiveness of using fruit peels to make teeth whiter is lacking. A 2017 study tested the potential of citric acid extracts from 4 different types of orange peel as a teeth whitener. They were shown to have varying abilities on whitening teeth, with tangerine peel extract achieving the best results. If you notice that your teeth are becoming more sensitive, please stop using this method. 6. Activated charcoal. You can use activated charcoal to remove stains from your teeth. It's believed that charcoal can remove pigments and stains from your teeth because it's highly absorbent. It's said to also get rid of bacteria and toxins in the mouth. There are toothpastes that contain activated charcoal and claim to whiten teeth. Open a capsule of activated charcoal and put the contents on your toothbrush. Gently brush your teeth using small circles for 2 minutes. Be especially careful in the area around your gums as it can be abrasive. Then spit it out. Don't brush too aggressively. If your teeth are sensitive or you want to limit the abrasiveness of the charcoal, you can dab it on your teeth. Leave it on for 2 minutes. You can also mix activated charcoal with a small amount of water to make a mouthwash. Swish this solution for 2 minutes and then spit it out. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water after using activated charcoal. That charcoal toothpaste can whiten teeth within 4 weeks of use. 7. Eating fruits and vegetables with a higher water content. It's said that eating raw fruits and vegetables with a high water content can help to keep your teeth healthy. The water content is thought to cleanse your teeth and gums of plaque and bacteria that lead to yellow teeth. Chewing on crunchy fruits and vegetables at the end of a meal may increase saliva production. This can help to remove food particles that are stuck in your teeth and wash away any harmful acids.